Plaintiff Salvina Natel Knox says she's in court because the defendant cannot accept the fact that Salvina has dated her ex-husband on and off for 17 years. Salvina claims after the defendant's ex moved in with her, the defendant started harassing her, and she not only kicked in Salvina's door, but she also threatened her with a box cutter. She's suing for emotional distress. Defendant Kendrea Woods says Salvina is nothing but a married prostitute who ruined Kendrea's marriage. Kendrea insists she was forced to file a restraining order against Salvina because she has harassed her, and Kendrea has surveillance video of Salvina damaging her car. She's countersuing for emotional distress and restitution.
Start with you.
Your Honor, we're here today because the defendant can't get over the fact that me and her ex-husband was in love at a point in time. I've known him since '98. We've been off and on dating for about 17 years. They got married.
Where you at with that now?
We're off at the moment.
Okay. What's the average time? What's the average on and off?
Every 3 months.
Huh?
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
In November of 2012, the defendant and the ex got married. By January of 2013, he moved in with me and my children. The defendant started harassing me. She would call my phone. I have phone records stating that this woman had called me 37 times, Your Honor, in the times that me and him together. We're off because I can't keep dealing with this woman. She drinks. Whenever she drinks, and she'll post it on Facebook, whenever she drinks, she comes bothers me. She's aggressive.
Now, the 37 times that she called, did she speak to you or not?
Yes, I done hung up on her numerous of times.
What does she say when she gets you on the phone?
She'll say, you're laying next to my husband, kissing on his neck with my name on it.
Are you?
Not every time she called, but when she called, if she called to get an answer, I'll give it to her. Yes, I would, Your Honor, because this man done tattooed my name on his ring finger while he was married with her. Anyhow, back in March of 2013, I was at a party, a going away party, and everyone was telling me that the defendant was saying that I crashed her car. So I didn't think nothing of it. I'm like, oh, I didn't crash your car, whatever, swept it under the rug. A week later, I got served with a restraining order. A month later in April, we went to court for this restraining order. And the judge told me and her that with this protection order, that it works both ways. She can't be around me, I can't be around her. But Your Honor, I don't go and bother him. He comes and bothers me, and I have proof of that as well.
Bothers you? Last I knew, he had moved in.
He did move in. But then once she started harassing me, I have 3 daughters, Your Honor.
You put him out?
I put him out.
And he keeps coming back?
And he'll keep coming back, Your Honor. He'll keep coming back.
With his tattoo?
Got the tattoo, exactly. You know, he'll come back with a dog, whatever little gift he wants to, to pupper me at. But like I said, yes, I was in love with this man. I've been dealing with him since I was 14 years old, Your Honor. But it's not that much love in the world to be dealing with the mess that I'm dealing with behind this woman. They're not even married no more, Your Honor.
Yeah, let me hear from her. Let me hear some of your testimony.
Hi, first of all, Your Honor, this woman is a married woman, a prostitute, and has ruined my marriage.
You're married right now?
Yeah, I'm separated, yes.
Every 3 months?
No, me and my husband been separated for 2 years.
Huh?
We've been separated for 2.5 years.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I was married in November of 2012. Like she said, I never even knew her. My husband moved in with her in January of 2013.
Did he tell you where he was going?
He told me that he was moving in with her because she was agreeing to buy him a car and drugs and give him money, which I was not. When he left, I filed for a divorce. Okay. When he got them papers in the mail is when he came back. Like the last 3 years has been a living nightmare with her. I never knew of this woman.
Where's he at now? He's with you?
If you want to be honest.
Either that or lie, whatever you want to do.
No, I'm not going to even lie.
You can lie if you want to, huh?
There's no need to lie. There's no need to lie on her behalf or my behalf. Yes, me and him both are very involved with each other. Okay. His aunt just passed 24 to 48 hours ago.
Married?
No, we are divorced and we're still good friends. always at my house.
But involved with each other.
His clothes is at my house. His PlayStation is at his house. But
involved with each other infers that you all are having
divorced. I did not no
other.
longer wanted to be a wife. He wasn't respecting me as a wife.
But are you all having relations with
yes,
each
sir.
other? All right, that's what I'm getting to. Don't try to talk around it.
Yes.
All right, he just stop in when he wants.
No, he cannot stop in when he wants. I deal with him on my terms.
You tell him when to stop in.
Exactly.
All right, you call him and just say, come on here for about 10 minutes.
No.
I'm just trying to understand the relationship.
No, he's never around for 10 minutes. When he's around, he's around.
Okay, longer than 10 minutes.
Longer than 10 minutes.
That beats me.
Yeah. Go ahead. All right, so tell me why you are suing her.
I'm suing her, Your Honor, because I've been dealing with this woman for 3 years. I've moved my 3 children out of state to get away from this woman. She put the protection order against me, Your Honor. I thought it was gonna work like the judge said both ways. It hasn't. She can just pick up her phone in the middle of the night and call the police, tell them
Let's start with who violated the protection order first.
I'm gonna be honest, I think she did. But being that she has the protection order against me, when I call the police, they keep dropping everything.
When you call the police for what?
She's done threw cocktails, homemade cocktails at my house.
You call the police and what do they say?
The fire marshal or something, they said they had to come.
Give me another incident.
She came while I was at the grocery store, kicking in my door. She came,
All right, police came, what happened then?
They took the report.
You didn't follow up with prosecution?
No,
Why?
I didn't.
Somebody tries to kick in your door and you don't pursue the prosecution. What else? What's the next time?
She followed my kids from school. Perfect example.
You called the police on her then?
The only reason why, Your Honor, I didn't call the police because my kids, they did not, when they gave me the description of the car, Your Honor.
Didn't call the police. What next?
Your Honor, after that, I was at a mutual friend's house, which I have a witness statement. She pulled up about 2 o'clock in the morning with her cousin and her cousin's 3 kids in the back seat, jumped out the car with a box cutter, came to charge at me.
Okay, yeah, let me see that police report.
Yes, sir.
What did the police do?
No. I didn't make no police because I wasn't at home. This happened at a mutual friend
Wherever it was. You can still make, you don't have to be at home to be able to make a police report. Somebody robbed you on the street, you don't have to go, well, I wasn't at home when I get robbed, so I can't go to the police. All right, this time she came at you with a box cutter, threatening your life, and you didn't file again. Didn't even call the police. What else?
She called and told them that I was texting her phone. He texted, like I said, it's a love situation. He texted my phone. I text his phone back. She responded because she took his phone.
I don't want to hear about your conversations. I want to hear about all these assaults. So far, she's assaulted you at least 4 times, and you didn't even follow up with the police. What other ways did she try to kill you or your kids without you following up?
I have the 2 police reports, Your Honor.
For what?
I have the one about the cocktail due to my house, and I have the one where she tried to kick in my side door while my children were there.
You didn't follow up. Yeah, what? And
I
once
called,
again,
they told me they dismissed it. No, I didn't prosecute, Your Honor.
All right, let me hear what she's done to you.
All right, Your Honor. For the last 3 years, everything that she's saying that I've done to her is what she's done to me.
Oh, so we don't have to go over it again because it's the same thing?
I have a video from March of 2013 where Miss Nathan Knox came in, tore up 2 of my vehicles.
Do you have that with us here?
I have it. Would you like to see it? I also have pictures.
Let me see it.
Right here in this video is Miss Nathan Knox taking the vehicle that she bought my husband and ramming it into my car. And on the other side of my car is a blue car that is also owned by me. And both vehicles are completely, totally damaged out. If a person has that much evil and hate in their blood to tear up a car, imagine what she would do to me.
Well, that wasn't me.
That's why I took out a restraining order against her, because from day 1, January of 2013, this is Miss Nathan Knox coming back 10 minutes later to continue to hit my vehicle.
No. Correct, Your Honor.
She is also,
let her finish. She didn't say one word when you were making up all those stories. Go ahead.
Your Honor, she pleaded guilty to this incident right here. Where she actually owed,
where she actually owed my life.
Okay, gotcha. You said that wasn't you yet. You pled guilty to that. You went to court that time, that's for sure. All right. Go ahead.
We went to court over that incident for almost a year. She would prolong it, keep continuing it. She actually skipped town.
No, I moved.
And that is why she had a bench warrant out for her arrest. And the only reason we got this case resolved is because they caught her on her bench warrant. I had to move me, my daughter, and my mother. I have witness statements from both of them because she would drive by my house My daughter was afraid to come outside.
That's not
She
and
said,
you went to the police and
I
you
went to
got
the
a
police.
conviction.
I had a police report.
And you got a conviction.
She also tried to get a protection order against me, Your Honor, and the judge denied it because it's foolishness. It's clownish.
No, because she has...
Ma'am, all your stuff was dismissed. Be quiet. You told me that.
Exactly. Everything she does to me.
What happened when you went down there? They dismissed it.
Because I always have a paper trail.
Wow, let's look at this.
I always have evidence.
She pled guilty to doing it.
To get her out of my life,
we don't
Your
have
Honor.
we don't have to prove that. Well, she's not out your life, as you see.
Clearly.
I hope you noticed.
No,
all right.
Because it's like I live
And the
in a
restitution,
totally...
she was ordered to pay how much in restitution?
That is $28.58.
That's why everything's getting dismissed.
You have
because
that?
of that protection order.
What are you talking about?
I do.
What you talking about?
I have
Stand
the
up.
restitution
State
order.
your name.
This is the restitution
Hi, I'm
order.
Kayla.
What you want to tell me?
Your Honor, the reason why everything is getting dismissed from everything is because of her protection order first. Once you file a protection order first, you can't go back and say she.
Is that how it goes?
Yes, it is because
Oh, really?
I have one against my father, my children.
I didn't know that.
You know what
I've
I'm
never
saying?
heard
you
the
know
law.
it, but-
I've never knew the law. Thank you for the education, though. All right, I got some new law. It's whoever files first wins.
Yeah, right.
And this is the
Never knew that.
registration.
All right, get out of here. Bye.
This is the
Contempt. You don't
registration.
yell out while you're in here. Give me that bad law. That's why I got to throw you out. You give me wrong law. That's what I used to do when I was sitting in Detroit as a judge. A lawyer come in there, give me some bad law, you got to go. Why shouldn't you pay the restitution, ma'am?
Your Honor, because I did not crash this woman's car. I pled guilty, Your Honor, because I'm sick of her. Like she said, she's saying that...
Got all that. We don't have to go any further with this, ma'am. Your claim is dismissed. As you say, every complaint you had, they threw it out. And your claim, ma'am, you obtained a conviction against her based on all the evidence that you've shown today with her ramming your car. So I will grant you your entire judgment, and I'll dismiss yours. Have a good day. Bye. Judgment for the defendant.
Always gonna be weak. With your weak. Come again, Hoda. Come again, ho. Cause you know I'm suing your again. Come again, ho.
Do you guys see this, right? You see how angry and she is at
I'm
me?
not angry.
Do you see how angry?
I'm not
I don't wish
angry.
you nothing but happiness. You wanna know why?
too, love.
Because then you'll leave me alone. Once you're happy with yourself, you'll leave me alone.
Kendra. You won't leave me alone because your won't leave me alone.
Girl, I divorced him. I divorced him so you can have him.
You divorced him.
I play with him when I want to,
Me
and
too,
you can do
boo.
all the. You
Been
do
doing it for
you the
17
drama.
years.
You're the drama. You're the clown. I'm the woman. I'm
never.
class. He can do all
You're
that.
class, but you're inboxing my friends,
He can get
right?
high and drunk and all that with you.
Girl, that's
and
what he
can
do
come
with
handle
you. That's why
business
you
with
pop
me.
bottles, right?
No, honey.
Yeah, boo.
I drink
Yeah, boo.
conservatively.